Oh, y'all know how to make a jerk salmon Philly cheesesteak? We can make that. Do y'all see the cheese pull on that? Oh my goodness, my back is activated. Alright, I gotta show y'all how to make this. First, we're gonna chop up some onions, right? We're gonna chop up some bell peppers. You ain't gotta use the bell peppers, but I did. I just wanted to, alright? So, first, we're gonna get the onions, the bell peppers, chop everything up nice and fine. Get your onions, your parsley, grate up some fresh cheese, some fresh mozzarella cheese, preferably. Chop them up real fine, like I said. How do y'all chop y'all bell peppers? Let me know in the comments. And how do y'all chop y'all onions? Let me know in the comments. Do y'all wear them glasses? Because my eyes be burning. I need something to, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So after we done chopping everything up, we're going to take the back of the skin off of that salmon. Yeah. It's real easy. If you need some help, let me know. See that right there? Nice and easy. Simple. You don't need no hot water, none of that. Chop everything up into fillets. Then we're going to move that to the side. Chop them whatever size you want because we're going to break them up anyway. Then we're going to get some Graza olive oil. You use whatever olive oil you want, but I got Graza. I'm going to hit it with some salt. I'm going to hit it with some black pepper. I'm going to hit it with a little bit of Caribbean jerk seasoning. I got that from Spice King, but you can use any jerk seasoning you want. I also hit it with garlic powder, onion powder, and I hit it with magic too. Magic seasoning. Yeah, the salmon seasoning. And I kept it just like that. And then I just rubbed everything in real good. Make sure you get all the sides, the creases, the crevices on everything. And I was extra with the salmon today. I don't know why, but I usually just put salt, pepper, some seafood butter probably, and then that's about it. But today, I went a little crazy. See, I ain't put too much, and I only seasoned one side. The other side, you can season with the bottom of the cutting board. Now, we're going to get some Graza olive oil. So I got some fresh chopped garlic. I got some onions. I got some peppers. I put all that. I sauteed it. Like I said, the bell peppers is optional. I just like a lot of vitamin C and a lot of healthy stuff when I eat, you know what I'm saying? So I added the peppers. If that don't make it a Philly cheesesteak, then oh well. It's still a Philly cheesesteak to me. I hit it with some green seasoning. And I also hit it with some jerk seasoning as well. Some Caribbean jerk seasoning from Spice King. So, boom, I hit that in, mix that in real well. And you want to get some jerk marinade and hit it with some jerk marinade. I also hit it with some jerk marinade. I don't know if y'all seen that or not, but I definitely hit it with that. Then, just saute everything. Make sure everything get real nice. Nice and soft, You don't want to overcook the onions and all this. So, you want to just put it to the side. Now for that salmon. Oh, y'all see that right there. Hit it face down first. You know what I'm saying? Face down. Bleep up. Y'all know what's up, man. All right, so we're going to set them things for about 2 or 3 minutes. See how the side's still raw? Yeah, no worries. I just wanted to get a nice little sear. Make sure I ain't burn it. And then I'm going to sear the sides just for like 1 minute. You know what I'm saying? See that right there? Oh, wait. Yeah, sear the side for like 1 minute. And then I'm going to do that to the rest of them. These things cooking so lovely. Oh, my goodness. And y'all can see I got it on like 375 right now. So it's pretty high. I'm going to lower it down when I start breaking everything up and adding everything in. That's when I'm going to put it lower. But right now, I'm trying to get that seared. Now I'm breaking everything down. Lowered it down just a little bit. We around like 300 now. You know what I'm saying? Chopping everything up. See, it's still a little bit raw inside. But that's perfect because we're just going to throw the onions in there, toss everything, cook it real, real nice. You could add some more jerk marinade at this point. I didn't want it too spicy, so I just left what I had and the onions and the peppers, and that's going to hit just right. Trust and believe. I got the hoagies going on some butter right now, and I'm getting them things nice and toasty. Now we're going to add our cheese. You can add mozzarella, pepper jack, whatever you want to do. I added mozzarella because I like that cheese pull. You know what I'm saying? I don't put no American, even though it's supposed to be a Philly cheesesteak and salmon. I don't think American cheese and salmon really go together. I never tried it, though. Y'all let me know if it do it or if it don't. But right now, I'm going to just stick with the mozzarella cheese, right? Then we get them hoagies. Make sure them hoagies is nice and brown like me. Oh, my goodness. Y'all see that, though, right there? Oh, yeah, them things is ready. Everything is nice and cooked now. Y'all see it. Now I'm going to just turn the stove off. See that hoagie nice and brown. Oh, my goodness. Buttery, everything. You can hit it with some mayo or whatever you want to do. I hit the sauces at the end. But, yeah, I'm going to take that and I'm going to go. You feel me? Yeah. But now you know how to make a jerk salmon Philly cheesesteak. Y'all see that right there? Oh, you know I got to add some more. Yeah, because that ain't enough for me. But y'all see it. Now you know how to make it. Go make it. If you need the cookbook, link is in the bio. I'm out.